3.
Hi everyone, it's Mekdi, and today we're making chocolate crackles. I've done all the dry ingredients. These are the ingredients we done, but now we just need cocoa.
Go.
Hi everyone, I spilled all this all over me, but we finally got them in the patties, and now we have to get them in the fridge to set.